Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ad-du'a jami'an. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma akhrijna min dhulumatil wahmi akrimna binuril fahmi waftah alaina bima'rifatil ilmi wa hasin akhlaqana bil hilmi wa sahil lana aba fadlika wansur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'inu ala umurid dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nawaitu ta'alluma wa ta'lim wa tadhakkur wa tadhkir wa naf'a wal intifa'a wal ifadata wal istifadah wa du'a ilal huda wa dalalata 'alal khair wa tamassuka bi kitabillahi wa bi sunnati rasulillahi sallallahu alaihi wasallam ibtigha'a mardatillahi wa qurbihi wa thawabihi subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wa qala subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim wa la haula wa la quwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Al-Fatihah. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Now we continue from yesterday, and then now faslun wal istinja'u wajibun minal bauli. Okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-musannif rahimallahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun utawi a chapter. Wal istinja'u utawi istinja. Wal istinja'u utawi istinja. You can write istinja like that. Wajibun is obligatory. Wajibun iku is obligatory minal bauli from urination wal ghaiti and defecate. Istinja is obligatory from urination and defecate. Wal afdalu, and then the meaning of it is defecate, or you can write take a dump or take what is that? Take a dump and then al baul, the meaning is take a leak. Wal afdalu utawi, the more important iku ayastanjia istinja sapa mustanji bil ahjari with some stones. Because of al ahjar it is jama', so you can write some stones. Then the what is the mufrad from al-ahjar? Hajarun, ahjarun. And then in English is with some stones. Thumma yutbi'u, then follow ha ing al-ahjar apa bil ma'i water. Alba in here in lafat bil ma'i is zaidah. Alba zaidah. So nothing, tidak ada makna. Nothing, what is that? The meaning. Ya, nothing meaning. Alba zaidah. Fayakunu min harfiz zaidah ghairu ta'alluq wal makna. So from ba zaidah here, nothing makna and nothing ta'alluq. Thumma yutbi'u, then follow ha ing al ahjar apa bil ma'i water. nothing makna from ba. Waya juzu and can be. Apa ayyak tasiro, summarizing. The meaning of meringkas is summarizing. Alal ma'i, on the water. Then someone or mustanji can be summarizing on the water, aw ala thalathati ahjarin, or on 3 stones. Aw ala thalathati ahjarin, or on 3 stones. Then al mustanji can be summarizing on the water or on 3 stones. Can use 3 stone, or you can use, or al mustanji can use water. Yanki clean bihinna, with that description. I mean ayyak tasira alal ma'i aw ala thati ahjarin. Yanki clean bihinna, with that description. Apa al mahallu, a place. I will give explanation next time after reading this fasal. Fa'idha arada, then who wants to. Fa'idha arada, then who wants to. Apa fa'idha arada, then who wants to. Sapa al mustanji al iktisara, ing summarizing, with the meaning summarizing, meringkas. Ala ahadihima, to one of them, summarizing to one of them. It's mean like that. Don't make difficult, okay? Ala ahadihima, to one of them. Falma'u, moko utawi a water, iku afdalu, more important than al ahjar. More important use water than use stone. Okay, I will give you explanation about this fasal. What is istinja? And then why we do istinja? Istinja is obligatory from urination or defecate. Someone do istinja, that obligatory from someone after doing urination or take leak and defecate or take a dump. Understand from wal istinja'u ila akhirih? Okay. Wal afdalu ayyastanjiya bil ahjari thumma yutsbi'uha bil ma'i. Then the more important, mustanji cleans with some stones, then follow with water. For example, someone after doing istinja, after doing taking dump or taking leak, the best is someone cleans with some stone, take the stone, after using stone, then follow with water. Okay, understand? Okay, wa yajuzu ayyak tasira alal ma'i aw ala thalathati ahjarin yanki bihinna al mahallu. And then also can be summarizing on the water on 3 stones that can clean place with that description. I mean someone or mustanji can be summarizing on the water or choose 3 stones can clean a place of clean a place with that description. I mean with a water or choose some 3 stones. I mean like that. Understand? Okay, I continue again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So what is wal istinja wajibun minal bali wal haiti wal afdalu? I mean someone use water is the best. Someone use a water. After using water, you can follow with stone. What is that stone? Al ahjar. Okay. Wayajtanibu. and stay away sapa al mustanji. Stay away, the meaning is menjauhi. Menjauhi, how to say in English is stay away. Sapa mustanji. Why mustanji? Must stay away. Istiqbal al kiblati, ing to face the kiblat. Istiqbal al kiblati, ing to face the kiblat. Istiqbal al kiblati, to face the kiblat. Istiqbal al kiblati, ing to face the kiblat. Mustanji must stay away to face the kiblat. Wastidbariha, and throw back the kiblat. Wastidbariha, and turn back. Turn back. Okay, I spell T-U-R-N back. Okay, back. How to spell back? B-E-C-K. Okay, the meaning is membelakangi. And turn back the kiblat fi sahra'i, in the desert. Fi sahra'i, in the desert. Last time I have been look for the meaning of sahra in English is desert. And then what the meaning in Indonesian sahra or desert, the meaning is gurun or padang pasir. Okay, and then mustanji must stay away to face the kiblat and turn back the kiblat in the desert. Wayajtanibu, and stay away sapa al mustanji al baula, ing do urination. Al baula, ing do urination. Wal ghaita, and do defecate. Fil ma'i, in water that doesn't flow. Fil ma'i ar-rakiti, in water that doesn't flow. Okay, ar-rakiti, fil ma'i ar-rakiti, in the water that doesn't flow. Wa tahta syajarati, and under the tree. Al musmirati, has been fruit. Wa tahta syajarati, and under the tree. Al musmirati, has fruit. Under the tree, that tree has fruit. Wa fit tariqi, and in the way. Wa fit tariqi, and in the way. Wa dhilli, and under the shadow. Wadhilli, and shadow, you can like that, up to you. Because adhil, bayangan, how to say in English is shadow. Wathaqbi, and the hole. Hole, what the meaning hole? Lubang yang berada di tanah. How to say in Arabic is, how to spell in Arabic? Ta, qaf, ba. Because of it is maktuf, so you can read wathaqbi. Wathaqbi, and the hall. Wala yatakallamu, and doesn't talk or speak sapa al mustanji. Mustanji may not speak, may not speak or talk with his friend, maybe alal bauli, on doing urine. Alal bauli, on doing urine. Wal ghaiti, and doing defecate. Al mustanji may not talking about something or someone when he doing urine or doing defecate. Wala yastaqbalu, and doesn't face sapa al mustanji asyamsa, ing on the sun. Asyamsa, ing on the sun. Wal qamara, and on the moon. Wala yastadbiru, wala yastadbiru, and doesn't turn back sapa al mustanji huma ing one of them, I mean from asyamsa and wal qamar. Okay, I will give you explanation what is the meaning from wayajtanibu istiqbal al kiblati wastidbariha fi sahra. It's mean mustanji who is doing istinja, he or someone or mustanji may not face a kiblat, or he must do stay away to face kiblat, and he must turn back the kiblat. When he do is ijtinabu istiqbalil kiblat wastidbariha, when he doing like that in the desert. For example, someone, I and you go to a place, and then that place nothing a tree, tidak ada pepohonan, and then the place is desert, sangat gersang, and then your batak or your stomach is getting sick, and then you look for a place to do, take a dump or take a leak. After that, nothing place untuk ditemukan. So it's okay, you can do in that place, but from you or mustanji might not stay away to face the kiblat or turn back the kiblat, like that. I mean like that. I hope you understand what I have speaking to you all. Wa yajtanibu al-baula wal ghaiti, wa yajtanibu al-baula wal ghaita fil ma'i ar-raqidi. This is also al-mustanji also must stand away to do urination wal ghait and defecate fil ma'i ar-raqidi, I mean in the water that doesn't flow. And mustanji stay away also to do urination and defecate in water that doesn't flow. Wa tahta syajarati, and under the tree has been fruitful, di bawah pohon yang berbuah. That someone or mustanji must stay away. Wa fit tariqi wa dhilli wa thaqfi, and also al mustanji must stay away to do istinja or to do urination or defecate under the tree and in the way, fit tariq wa dhilli, and shadow wa thaqfi, and the hole. It's might not forbidden for mustanji to do istinja in the way or shadow or in the hall. Wala yatakallamu alal bauli wal ghaiti, and also someone or mustanji may not also to speak each other with his friend when he is doing urination or doing defecate. Mustanji or someone in the bathroom, he doesn't talk, tidak boleh, how to say in English, might not to do talking or speaking with his friend each other. Wala yastaqbalu asyamsa, and then someone or mustanji might not also to face on the sun or on the man. Wala yastadbiruhuma, and mustanji or someone might not or doesn't turn back in that sun or al-qamar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope understand about what I have speak to you all. Faslun utawi chapter, walladhi utawi something, like that. Because why I use something? Karena masih belum diketahui. Yang penting sesuatu. Al-lafdu ba'da alladhi is that silah. Yankudu that can invalidate. Yankudu that can invalidate al-wudu'a ing ritual ablution. Iku sittatu asya'a, there are 6. Iku sittatu asya'a, there are 6. A chapter that explain about a something that can invalidate ritual ablution is there are 6. Ma kharaja minas sabilaini al awal. For the first time, number 1, ma that is something. Ma that is something. Kharaja comes out. Apa ma? Kharaja comes out apa ma minas sabilaini, from to away, like that. Minas sabilaini, from to away. Wan naumu, and sleep. Ala ghairi hayatil mutamakkini, in the form of the able. In the form FORM, in the form of the able. Wan naumu ala ghairi hayatil mutamakkini, and sleep in the form of the able. Wazawalul akli, and then number 3, wazawalul akli, and the demise of the mind. Demise, what is that? Hilangnya akal. And the demise of the mind. How to spell demise? DEMISE. Wazawalul akli, and the demise of the mind. Bisukrin, because drink, or you can because drunk. Au marodin, or because sick. Walam surrojuli, and touch it male or man. Walam surrojuli, and touch it male or man. Almar'ata, to female or another woman. Almar'ata, to another woman. Almar'ata al ajnabiyata, to female or to another woman. Min ghairi ha'ilin, min ghairi ha'ilin, without barrier, tanpa penghalang. How to say in English is without barrier. How to spell barrier? B-A-R-R-E-I. I repeat once again. B-A-R-R-I-E-R. Double R. Wa masu farjil adamiyyi, and touch genitals, like that, of Adam child. And touch genitals of Adam child. Bibatinil kafi, with the palm. Bibatinil kafi, with the palm. Wa masih hilqati duburihi, wa masih hilqati duburihi, and touch the asshole of Adam's child. And touch the asshole of Adam's child. Alal jadidi, according to new opinion from Imam Syafi'i. Alal jadidi, according to new opinion from Imam Syafi'i. The chapter of walladhi yankudu al wudu'a sittatu asya'a, that explain about something that can invalidate, yang bisa membatalkan ablution, yaitu napa ibadah wudu. So from someone who wants to do praying maghrib or others, he must have a take ritual ablution. And then there are many Sikhs, there are many from something can be invalidate of take ritual ablution, that is there are Sikh. Ada beberapa perkara yang membatalkan wudu yang jumlahnya di situ ada 6. And then number 1 ma kharaja minas sabilaini. And then number 1 is something comes out from 2 ways. I mean someone when he do taking leak or taking dump, so the ablution from him is invalidate. Itu bisa menjadi batal. And then the second or number 2, wan naumu ala ghairi hayatil mutamakin, and someone doing sleep. For example, I sleep in here. After sleeping, for me might not to do praying, okay? Or I touch Holy Quran or others, because who wants to pray or who wants to bring Al-Quran, a Holy Quran, he must has a take ritual ablution first. The second, number 2, from the invalidate of take ritual ablution is someone getting sleep in the form of the able, tidur yang tidak mungkin pada tempat yang membatalkan wudu. For example, if I sleep with sitting down, my ablution cannot invalidate because I sleep with ala hayatil mutamakin. And then for example, if I sleep in here and then my body like this, pindah, move here, after that move here again, so I sleep in here, that is from of the able, itu menjadikan wudhu saya menjadi batal. So if you want to sleep, I hope you can silent like this silent, okay, understand? And then the second, wan naumu ala ghairi hayatil mutamakin. And then the third, number 3, was zawalul akli bisukrin aw maradin, and the demise of the mind, hilangnya akal bisukrin aw maradin, because of drunk, after drinking minuman keras, aw maradin, or he is getting sick. Walam surrajuli al mar'ata. What the meaning of bisukrin aw maradin? Someone drinks what is that? Beer, for example, like that. So he has not take ritual ablution because of he is drinking a beer like that. Aw maradin. What is the example from aw maradin? Aw maradin is, for example, someone doing something, after that, how to say in English, semaput. I don't look for that. Because of that, so his ablution is invalidate. Walam surrajuli al mar'ata al ajnabiyati min ghairi ha'ilin. Okay, and then this also, someone touch someone, I mean a man touch a woman, another woman, and then he doesn't mahram. I have friends, and then I touch my friends. She is behind me and then I touch her like this, for example. So my technical ablution is be invalidate. Okay. Wa masu farjil adami bibatinil kafi. And then this also, someone might not touch genitals of Adam's child, even that genital his by himself, miliknya sendiri. Bibatinil kafi, with that the palm. Wa masu hilqati duburihi alal jadid. And also someone touch asshole of Adam's child. For example, I have young brother. Yeah, I have young brother. And then or I have child. And then I touch what is that? Asshole of Adam's child. I mean my young brothers. So my ablution can be invalidate. That's according to a new opinion from Imam Shafi'i. Okay, I think understand from what I have said to you all. And then faslun walladhi yujibu al-husla sittatu asya'a. Salasatun tashtariku fiha. Faslun utawi a chapter. Yuqaddiru hadha faslun. Al-muqaddar hadha faslun. Walladhi utawi something. Because alladhi it is ism mausul, so we must, because it is ism mausul, so we use in mubtada. Yujibu it is khabar, or yujibu it is silah. If you use yujibu it is silah, so next time the khabar after jumlah fi'liyah from here. Walladhi utawi something yujibu, make it obligatory. Apa alladhi? Al-husla to take a bath. Iku sittatu asya'a, there are 6. Iku sittatu asya'a, there are 6. Some things make it obligatory to take a bath, there are 6. And then khabar from mubtada alladhi, it is lafat sittatu asya'a. Salasatun tashtariku fiha farrijalu wan nisa, ar-rijalu wan nisa. Salasatun, there are 3. Tashtariku sesukotonan, how to say in English, alliance or fellowship. Last time I have looked for tashtariku alliance. How to spell? ALIANCE. Okay. Or you can use fellowship. Fiha, in that description. Sopo ar-rijalu, men's, wan nisa'u, and women's. I mean, this chapter explain about something make it obligatory to take a bath. There are 6. And then there are 3 that alliance or fellowship in that description for men and women. Ada 3 perkara yang persekutuan antara laki-laki dan perempuan. I mean like that. Wahia utawi salasah iku iltiqaul hitanaini, the meeting of 2 genitals. Like that. Iltiqaul hitanain, what the meaning of iltiqa? Meeting. Al hitanain, 2 genitals, 2 alat kelamin. It is from the alliance for the man and the woman. Wa inzalul maniyyi and the release of sperm. Wa inzalul maniyyi and the release of the sperm. Wal mautu and pass away. Wal mautu and pass away. So from the man and woman has alliance or fellowship. There are three in that description. For the first time is the meeting of genitals, and then the second is the release of sperm, and then the second is al-mautu. How the meaning al-mautu? Pass away. Someone, how to say in English pasti? Huh? Mas? No. Pasti. Like that. I mean, from the man or the woman, pasti iltiqaul hitanain or inzalul mani, must doing, what is that? Must doing iltiqaul hitanain wa inzalul mani wal mautu. Wa thalathatun tahtasu biha, and then there are three tahtasu a special biha with that description. Sopo an-nisa'u a woman, and then there are three a special for a woman is that wahya al-haidu wan nifasu wal wiladah. Okay, the first time number one is must al-haidu iku must menstruation. Wan nifasu al-haidu iku menstruation, wan nifasu and postpart. What the meaning an nifasu? Postpartum, like that ya. Pasca persalinan. How to say in English pasca persalinan? Postpartum. Wal wiladatu and give birth to a baby. Wal wiladatu and give birth to a baby. It's khusus, or special for the woman. Like that. You must understand how to speak in English. What is faslun walladhi yujibu al-husla sittatu asya'a. I mean, the chapter that explanation that explain about something make it obligatory to take a bath. There are six, and then there are three that's alliance or fellowship in that description for men or woman. And then number one is that is the meeting of two genitals, and the second the release of sperm, and the third is the pass away from someone. And then there are three also, a special with the description for the woman. It's special for the woman. I look from that description, there are three also. Number one is al-haidu. What the meaning of haid? That is menstruation. And then the second is an-nifasu. How to say in English an-nifas? Nifas is postpartum. How to spell postpartum? P-O-S-T-P-A-R-T-U-M. Postpartum. And then the third is al-wilada. How to say in English al-wilada? Give the birth to a baby. Okay. I think enough from what I have said to you all. I think enough from this explanation because it's really difficult for me and you also. Maybe you can correct it, correct what I have said to you all. If you found many mistake what I have said to say, I apologize to you all. But I hope from you and me, we must, what is that? How to say in English, semangat? Spirit. We must spirit to do, how to do from this chapter or this kitab. We must spirit to speak English more and more. You must speak about English in this chapter. I mean from kitab, what is that? Matan Takrib. I think enough from my explanation. And then now, what is that? I continue again in I'rab. Sorry, I difficult to speak. Actually, I know, but confused to speak to you all. Okay? Actually, I know what I mean, and then what do you want to take from me? Actually, I know, but for me by myself, it's difficult to say. So that's why I hope from you to study hard also. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-miyahu mubtadaun marfu'un bil ibtidai wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu adh-dhahiratu. I repeat again. Al-miyahu mubtadaun marfu'un bil ibtidai wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu adh-dhahiratu wa huwa jam'u ma'in ismul jinsi al-ifradi min anwa'il ma'i laisa bidzatil ma'i. Finish? Can I continue? Okay. Al-miyahu allati ismu mausulin silatuhu jumlatun ba'dahu because from isim mausul must has a sila, and then sila must berupa jumlah. Okay. Yajuzu fi'lun mudhari'un, this jumlah, and then yajuzu by himself fi'lun mudhari'un. Yajuzu fi'lun mudhari'un marfu'un litajarrudihi anin nasibi wal jazimi. Al-miyahu allati yajuzu biha jarun wa ismu dhamiril muannasi fi mahalli jarrin. Ya, jarun wa ismu dhamiril muannas. Biha jarun wa ismu dhamiril muannasi fi mahalli jarrin. Faidatu harfil jarri lil isti'anati. Can I continue? Okay. At-tadhiru. Al-miyahu allati yajuzu biha at-tadhiru. At-tadhiru fa'ilun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dhammatu adh-dhahiratu li'annahu min ismil mufradi wa tadhiru ala wazni taf'ilun min tahhara yutahhiru tadhiran. Okay. Al-miyahu allati yajuzu biha at-tadhiru sab'u miyahin. Sab'u khabarun marfu'un mudhafun. Miyahin mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Ma'us ma'u badalu ba'din, ma'u badalu ba'din minal kul, badalu ba'din minal kulli, lil marfu'i mudhafun, lil marfu'i mudhafun. I mean from lafdu ma, it is badal ba'd min kul lil marfu. What is that? Al marfu sab'umiyahin. So al ma'u must read rofa, and then ma also mudhafun. I repeat again, ma'un, ma'u badalu ba'din minal kul lil marfu'i mudhafun. As-sama'i mudhafun ilaihi majrurun, as-sama'i mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Wa ma'ul bahri, wa harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi, harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi. Wa in here huruf ataf, harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi. Ma'il bahri, ma'i ma'tufun lil marfu'i, ma'u ya, ma'u ma'tufun lil marfu'i mudhafun, ma'u ma'tufun lil marfu'i mudhafun. It's same from what is that? You have read on the top. Al bahri mudhafun ilaihi majrurun, al bahri mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Wa ma'un nahri, wa harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi, wa harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi. Ma'u ma'tufun lil marfu'i mudhafun, an-nahri mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. It is same from the top. Wa harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi, ma'ul bi'ri ma'tufun lil marfu'i mudhafun, al bi'ri mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Wa harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi, ma'un, ma'u ma'tufun lil marfu'i mudhafun, al aini mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Wa ma'us salji, wa harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi, ma'u ma'tufun lil marfu'i mudhafun, athalji mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. And then the last, wa ma'ul bardi, wa harfu atfin mabniyun alal fathi, ma'u ma'tufun lil marfu'i mudhafun, al bardi mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Wa yujma'u, don't say wa yujma'u, wa yajma'u hadhihi sab'ata ma nazala minas sama'i au naba'a minal ardi ala ayyi sifatin kana min aslil hilqah. And then that's water, there are 7 is from ma nazala minas sama au naba'a minal ard ala ayyi sifatin kana min aslil hilqah. Thummal miyahu ala arba'ati aqsamin, tahirin mutahhirin ghairu makruhin wal istimaluhu wa huwa al ma'u al mutlaqu wallahu alam bissawab. I hope from you all and me also we must study hard. I think from here itu ada alasan tersendiri kenapa saya dan kalian semua itu mempelajari seperti ini. Ya, bisa jadi mungkin karena besok ketika ada wisuda, itu bisa kamu belajar lagi. Saya berharap ini tidak ketika pertemuan pada saat Ramadan, nanti saya akan meminta kepada Yai Hamim untuk belajar bersama di ruang tertutup. Dalam arti kita mungkin di waktu malam jam belajar atau yang lainnya. Tapi belum tahu kapan. Yang penting kita kerjakan ini dulu karena tidak mungkin ini sampai khatam saya sendiri. Pasti belajar bersama. I think enough from me. If you have found many mistake, I apologize to you all. Wal afu minkum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Subhanakallahumma